All right, big news coming in from Maharashtra. Crucial meeting of Maha Aghadi partners at Chief Minister Uddhav Thakere's residence after the Bharatiya Janata Party demanding president's rule in the state. Shiv Sena attacks the BJP in a scathing editorial in Samna, and I quote here, the editorial said, there are demands of president's rule in Maharashtra. Such demands should be made in Gujarat if they have guts, unquote. Divyesh Singh with all the latest on that. So Divyesh, this is an important meeting that's clearly taking place in Maharashtra. This is precisely of the Aghadi partners. Has the meeting started already? What is the update?
Yes, Pooja, the meeting has already started. Shiv Sena leaders Subhash Desai, Eknath Shinde, along with Mumbai Police Commissioner Ajit Pawar, who's the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he's already here. Also, we are being told that Varsha Gaikwad, who's a Congress leader, Congress minister from Maharashtra, she is also present in this meeting. And what sources tell us that this meeting is regarding what are the measures that are going to be taken once the lockdown 4.0 ends, and what will be the further steps that the Maharashtra state needs to take to control the COVID-19 situation in Maharashtra. Remember, the total number of figures, total number of infected cases in Maharashtra has gone beyond 54,000, and it's already beyond 36,000 in Mumbai itself. With 97 deaths in the past 24 hours, around 39 deaths were recorded in Mumbai, and that is why our sources tell us that this meeting is being called for briefing of what steps need to be taken for further continuing the lockdown, or if the lockdown is being eased, what measures are to be taken so that the community spread can be stopped, can be contained.
All right, Divyesh, keep tracking all the latest from the meeting. I'll come back to you shortly. Divyesh Singh tracking this very crucial Aghadi partners meeting at Chief Minister Uddhav Thakere's residence.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.